How to fix mobile data automatically turning off. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix mobile data turning off automatically. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first step is to fix your mobile data turning off automatically. Go to your settings, go to your network and internet. On your network and internet, check for data saver. Make sure that you've disabled data saver. So disable it if it's turned on. And after that, what you'll need to do is just go back here, restart your phone. Press on the volume up and power button together. Tap on restart. After you've restarted your phone, a simple reboot fixes several temporary glitches. So do that, and then after you've turned it on, you can then toggle on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This will reset your network connections. So ensure you haven't run out of your data for your billing cycle as well. And you can turn off your mobile data and turn it on and do all that. So after you've done that, go to your settings, scroll down till you find system, go to reset options, go to reset mobile network settings, and reset your network settings. Doing those should fix your problem, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.